Ready to experience next-level power and performance? In this video, we're counting down the top 8 dual-motor electric bikes of 2025. Insane speed, unstoppable torque, and rugged all-terrain capability. Whether you're climbing steep hills, cruising city streets, or tearing through trails, these electric beasts are built to dominate. From ultra-long range to cutting-edge tech, these e-bikes are redefining the ride. Get ready for the ultimate thrill. Let's dive in. The Mooncool MC3 is a powerful all-wheel drive electric mountain bike built for tough terrain and trail adventures. Equipped with dual 500-watt motors, it delivers strong torque and control, reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour. Its 48-volt battery offers an estimated range of 25 to 35 miles, ideal for medium-distance rides. With full suspension, MTB tires, and a sturdy aluminum frame, the MC3 handles rough paths with ease while ensuring comfort. Hydraulic disc brakes provide solid stopping power in all conditions. Designed for off-road performance but versatile enough for urban use, the Mooncool MC3 is perfect for riders seeking a rugged and reliable electric biking experience. The Lankeleisi MG740 Plus is a high-performance dual-motor electric bike featuring front and rear 1,000-watt brushless motors that deliver up to 2,000 watts of power and speeds up to 51 kilometers per hour. Its 48-volt 20-hour Samsung lithium battery offers a range of 70 kilometers in pure electric mode and up to 150 kilometers with pedal assist. Built for versatility, it includes an aluminum lockable oil spring suspension fork, Shimano 7-speed transmission, and Iceland hydraulic disc brakes for smooth and safe rides. The smart LCD color display shows real-time riding data and settings with IP64 waterproof protection. With a load capacity of 180 kilograms and star gear design for improved torque and efficiency, the MG740 Plus is ready for any terrain. The Bluvall K10 is a powerful dual-motor moped-style e-bike built for speed, range, and versatility. With dual 52-volt geared hub motors delivering up to 1,000 watts peak power and 160 newton-meters torque, it reaches speeds of 35 mph with ease. Its dual removable lithium-ion batteries, 52 volts 23 hour, provide an impressive range of up to 160 miles with pedal assist. Equipped with front hydraulic fork and 850 lb rear shock, it ensures a smooth ride over any terrain. The 180mm hydraulic disc brakes offer precise and safe stopping power, while the Shimano 7-speed gear system allows easy shifting. A multifunctional LCD display, ultra-bright front light, rear lights, and blinkers enhance visibility and safety, making the K10 a top-tier choice for long-distance, high-performance riding. The Bandit X-Trail Pro is a powerhouse electric bike featuring dual motors 750 watts in the front and 1,000 watts in the rear for true dynamic all-wheel drive capabilities. It reaches speeds of 42 mph with pedal assist and 38 mph on throttle, powered by a robust 1,680 watt-hour system that delivers an impressive 120-plus mile range. Designed for both comfort and control, it includes hydraulic front and spring rear suspension, front and rear fenders, and rugged 20x4-inch tires. The Smart Color LCD with the Bandit interface and NFC Smart Unlock offers seamless access and ride data, while the exclusive Bandit app adds advanced connectivity. Safety features include a 500-lumen headlight, rear brake light, and turn signals. With a step-through frame and large nylon seat, the X-Trail Pro blends performance, comfort, and tech in one elite ride. The FreeSky Warrior Pro M530 is a powerful dual-motor, all-terrain e-bike built to conquer any landscape. With dual 1,000-watt hub motors, it reaches speeds up to 38 mph and offers a range of 60 to 95 miles thanks to its 48-volt 30-hour Samsung lithium battery. Designed for rugged performance, it features dual suspension, a lockable front hydraulic downhill fork, rear suspension, wide tires, and 180mm hydraulic brakes for smooth and stable rides. The Shimano 7-speed gear system, LCD color display, thumb throttle, and 0.5 level pedal assist for full control. With a 300 pounds load capacity and a durable 97 pounds build, the Warrior Pro delivers power, comfort, and reliability for your wildest adventures. The Eahora Romeo Pro II is a powerful all-terrain electric bike designed for ultimate performance and comfort. It features a vibrant 4-inch colorful display and is powered by a massive 52-volt 60-amp-hour automotive-grade battery, delivering over 110-plus miles of range. With dual 1500-watt brushless motors, it accelerates from 0 to 37 mph in just 3 seconds. The upgraded full suspension system ensures smooth rides on any terrain, while the 26x4.0 fat tires offer superior grip and stability. Built for convenience, it comes 85% pre-assembled for easy travel. Waterproof 2000 lumen headlights and high-power taillights provide exceptional visibility and safety, making the Romeo Pro II perfect for riders who demand power, range, and rugged reliability. The Aniioki A8 Pro Max is a high-performance electric bike packed with advanced features for serious riders. It comes with a 52-volt, 60-hour removable battery, offering up to 110 miles of range on a single charge. The powerful motor delivers 1500 watts peak output, ensuring fast acceleration and excellent hill climbing power. Equipped with a hydraulic front suspension, it smooths out rough terrain effortlessly, while 180mm disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. The A8 Pro Max also features an NFC device for added security and smart access. Its 24.0-inch CST fat tires ensure grip and stability on all surfaces, making this e-bike the ultimate ride for power, comfort, and range. The Lankeleisi X3000 Max is a powerful folding e-bike equipped with a 48-volt, 20-amp-hour Samsung battery, delivering long-lasting performance for extended rides. With 2,000 watts of total power from its front and rear dual 1,000-watt brushless motors, it offers strong torque and excellent climbing ability, making it ideal for off-road adventures and steep terrain. The bike features a smart color LCD instrument that displays speed, battery level, trip data, and pedal assist levels, keeping you fully informed during every ride. Designed for durability and performance, the X3000 Max blends power, range, and intelligent control in a compact, rugged electric mountain bike package. Thanks for riding with us through the top 8 dual-motor electric bikes of 2025. Whether you're chasing speed, power, or all-terrain adventure, there's a perfect e-bike waiting for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest in electric tech. Drop a comment below and let us know which e-bike you'd ride first. Until next time, keep it charged and keep exploring only on Tech Grid Zone.